Welcome to Mama's New Adventure, guys. We're out here at the boat ramp checking it out this morning. Well, guys, we're back out at the boat ramp today, guys, checking it out, seeing what's going on. This last weekend was one of the worst weekends I had seen in a while. It rained all day Saturday and Sunday, but I seen it all the way across the coast up there, you know, all the way across the country. I seen it all the way across the country how bad it was. The flooding in California, to the rock slides. So that's what we were experiencing last weekend. But we're back out at the boat ramp today, guys, checking it out. Here comes another boat in, guys. Boy, I got a new I put a new filter on here for the sun and stuff. But boy, I don't know. I'm having a hard time. It's so dark. I'm not sure I can see it. We'll see how it all comes out here today, guys. I could have put out some old material and stuff, but I don't really like doing that. That's a pretty nice boat there. All closed in. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Pretty nice. I see that thing is still there. Someone must have found it out on the river or something. It's been there about a week now, so. Alright, here he comes, guys. Well, I hope everybody's doing good out there, guys. Hope everybody's doing good. It's been a crazy winter. I mean, freezing, snowing 1 minute, raining the next. That's all across the country, you know, it's just crazy. I see what's going on in California, Arizona out there. I watch all those things. All right. He's in. Truck out. They got it there. I think this guy must have like a little generator running in here or something, because I seen like the exhaust of it a few minutes ago coming out. Wow, what a setup there. Boy, photography over the years has sure changed, you know. My dad, he was a photographer. He always had a camera recording all kinds of stuff. I guess that's where I kind of came into it. Boy, you ought to see some of the equipment that, there he goes. We ought to see some of the equipment he used to have to carry around. Man, there was a big, huge VCR tape player. You put the VCR, anybody remember those, into the machine. You carry that around with a strap and carried a big camera hooked to that. Wow, I remember those days. I tried to keep that. Old photography equipment like that. But, you know, I had a house fire back when all those things happened, and all that went away. I lost everything, so. But that was cool. That was interesting those days, you know. It's a shame to see the way things happening the way it is nowadays, really. I went over to Tavares, checking out a lake where we used to go out skiing years ago. I was just out checking it out. Had all that problem with that guy, you know, coming up saying all kinds of stuff. I don't really get it anymore. You guys probably seen that. All right, here he comes, guys. Have fun out there, guys. I can't see it too good, but have fun. Polar boat, 150 motor. Heading on out of here, guys. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye. Oh, he's opening it up. I wonder if he stayed the night there. I don't really see why he couldn't. There it is. See that? Did you see that? I don't know if you've seen that. See this? Yeah, he's got some kind of generator there going. Cool, very cool. What a setup he's got. Yeah, quite a setup. School bus. School bus at the ramp, guys. Checking it out here, I guess. Oh yeah. Well, I think he's getting ready to boogie out of there. Kind of looks like he might have stayed there all night the way he had it buttoned up, but be better than staying out on the river. Gotta go in there, guys. You'll be on out of here. Getting it all warmed up. Ready to boogaloo. I hope he catches something out there today. It's gonna go off this dock right here, it looks like. Good luck over there, man. Good luck. You got a nice boat. Nice boat, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's really nice. It's a nice setup.
I appreciate
Yeah, I like that. Have fun, man.
Thank you.
All right. There's two people in there. Very nice. It was, he tried so hard, my dad did. You know, he really did. Every time we went out with a boat, it broke down. But anyway, this was before the kids, us come along, the kids came along. My mom said that he was trying to back a houseboat in, like this, you know, houseboat. And she said that he had it halfway down the ramp, and all of a sudden the brakes went out. And man, that thing went into the water, and it was. She said it was. My mom said it was one of the biggest messes that they had. They had got it stopped somehow before they lost the car in the water, but yeah, he always tried real hard. This guy's making a move out. Wow, look up in there. I hope you can see. I hope that's coming out. It looks awful dark. Man. Let me take that filter off. Oh, what a boat, man. Have fun out there, guys. Have fun. I guess you're just getting the boat loaded up and ready. Well, I took that filter off, guys. I can see a little better. I hope it's not super bright now. Yeah! Guys behind them right there, the bass boat. Yeah, empty that. There we go. Good job, man. Good job. Hope somebody at work tells you that too. We don't hear that out there enough, guys. Your employees, your employers and stuff. We don't hear that very often. Right. Just doing the pickup there this morning. Bring it in, Big Daddy. Bring it in. There's the old garbage truck. Trying to get it all unhooked there. Bring it in, Big Daddy. Got it going there, guys.